Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make a letter in a small letter or lowercase. Okay, so how to do it? So first here you will see these names are in capital letter. Okay, so now I am going to convert it into small letter. So how to do it? You can just type this, but this take times. So how to do it? I will use a formula by which it can easily be converted into small letters. Okay, so what you have to do, just equals to, then lower, okay, then bracket open. Now select the text, bracket close. So like this you will see it is converted into the lower letters. Now you have to just drag it. So like this you can easily convert all the names or whichever data you have entered will be converted into small letters. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.